Adoma, welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Ford, please help me subscribe to my channel, click that bell notification so every time I have a new video you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2019 Ford Transit Connect. So right now the problem is with the wiring connector rail track right here, that it get broken. Very common issue because these are plastic, so they get broken very easy. Now I have the parts here. So this is original, this is the part number from Ford, and this is the whole piece assembly. This is how it looks like right there. The two Torx bolt holding on to the rail right here, and then the two clips right here for the connector. For the parts, my guess is around $100 around there. I'm not sure because the customer bought it. I didn't buy the part, but my guess is around 100. So let me show you. Now to get the rail out, what you're gonna do is you're gonna pry the clip right here, pry both of them out, and then you can pop the whole connector out. And then for the connector here, press on this tab and pull. There you go. And then you're gonna need to open. You need to take out the inside cover right here. It's all clip. So this is the inside cover. They're all clips. There are about 8 clips holding it. Now this is the part number for the cover. And then let me show you for the back. For the back right here, there's 2 Torx bolt holding on to the back of the track right here. So I'm using my T20. There you go. You're gonna follow the wire up, but you're gonna do it from the inside. Now Ford is kind of stupid. It has so much silicone on this piece of foam, so I'm not gonna rip it out from here. I'm just gonna cut it a little bit where the latch is. That's where the connector connected to. And then later I'm just gonna tape it back. Now for the inside connector here, you're gonna press on the tab. It's kind of tight to show you guys, but press on the tab. And then now for the bottom bracket, just hold on to the wire and pull. Now after you got the bracket out holding the wire, just pull the wire down. There you go. Now this is what I'm talking about. So this is the top connector right here, and then you're gonna pull onto this clip right here, pull it so it comes off of the door frame. And then for the installation, you're just gonna do the reverse step of removal. But when you guys feed the connector back, make sure you guys feed the door lock actuator connector back first, and then guide the rail in. Now let me show you. So I got my new one in already. I got my connector back in already. You can see right there, it's completely back in. And make sure you put the little clip to the frame. Later I'm gonna tape this back. Let me show you for the bottom. I got the bottom in already. There you go. I have to put the connector back in, slide it in. There you go, just like that. Put the clip. There you go. Now I'm gonna close the door. Before I put the cover back, I'm gonna close the door and make sure nothing gets caught.
The old wheels on the Camaro were smaller, huh?
Yeah, No,
That's why it looked better. It fit better.
that's the OEM wheels though. So for the inside, I'm gonna check the inside. Nothing gets caught, so it's good. Fully open. There you go, close. Pretty good. Now all I gotta do is just tape the foam part back and then put the cover back. So that is it for this video, guys. So if you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'll see y'all in the next video. No, I'm out. Peace.